Hey guys, welcome back to TCL, the Cruising Life. So for today's how-to video, I'll show you guys how to replace a low beam headlight bulb for a 2016 Honda Odyssey. So ang papalitan natin ay itong headlight na to, which is located here. It's that connector there. And now for this side, it's this one here, and the connector is this one, if you can see it, that one right there. So remove the connector first by pushing on the tab and then pull. Now twist the headlight bulb and out. That's it. Be very careful not to touch the lens of the headlight bulb because we have dirt and oil on our fingers, and the headlight bulb creates so much heat that those oil will cause the headlight bulb to burn out. So these are the LED headlight bulbs that I bought. They are way brighter than the old bulbs that I have, and they don't create too much heat. So let's install the headlight bulb. And there's only one way that the headlight bulb will go in, so you have to find that sweet spot. Once it's in, give it a good push and turn until it's locked in. Give it a good wiggle so that it will not fall off. Now you have to connect the connector back, push it in until you hear the click. And that's it. You can just resecure the wires with zap straps. And that's it. That's how you replace a low beam headlight bulb for a 2016 Honda Odyssey. That is it for today's how-to video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time for another how-to video.